Hey, my people, Mona, see rain they fall. Like the rain where they fall now block, ice block. Ice block. Now in the fall. I don't know whether they see an ice block. See. Like big one, no. Big one, see. Look at it, guys. Ice block, now they fall. I don't know, summertime like this, because now summer we want enter now. If rain they fall, it will be blocked. Like big one, so big. This one even, I mean, this one even small, self. So there's big go even big fast like this. Big one. Look at it. Ice block. Look at it, guys. Ice block. Ice block. Ice block. Greta is laughing. Wow. Guys. Wow. Rainy day. Hope na day fine. Guys, for the past 3 days now, I know yours day fine, no cough, catarrh. If you watch me, I say my children get cough and catarrh. Finally, they don't give me. If you see the way I talk now, I say like I dey under the weather. I'm not feeling fine at all. Throughout last night, I no sleep. Like my nose block. Anyway, we move, but I'm fine now. I don't take medicine. So this afternoon, my children just they come back now from school. Now I say, why not make I officially open this vlog? Oh, this sun there. Let me lock the window. Okay, so I want to prepare something for them. Okay, never to tell where they come from school, because when I go carry them from school, their teacher tell me say they know it. Maybe probably what they cook, they not like her. You know, children after they select. So they tell me say they know it. So I want to prepare something for them, make them eat. Okay. So today our daddy not go work today. So he go kill goats. Okay, he go kill goats. Say don't tell where we chop goat to. Now Gareth did this morning. You say he want to kill goat. Oh my god. So guys, it's today on the first day when you see my channel. Welcome. My name is Stella, mom of 3 beautiful kids. Okay, so I'm also a wife. Yes, sir. So now pidgin English we take the talk for this channel. Okay, trust me, you will enjoy it. So me, you don't forget to subscribe. Give this video thumbs up. Okay, so guys, so I just they cut Greta this fries. My show now. Let me show you guys. Yeah, I they cut them. Now like this it take come guys, but Greta not go eat them like this if I fry them like this. Greta they like it go tiny where it go tiny. So what thing I do? Each time I want to prepare for her, then I'll bring her come out, leave her for like 30 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, make it melt. Then I'll come begin to use knife. They cut them. I call the cut them. If I fry her for Greta like this, it not go eat. And this na your favorite too. Now your favorite food be this one, Like Greta favorite food. Together with turkey. But right now, they eat cornflakes. You see, they eat cornflakes. You know, you go just eat it like that. So if you put it inside chocolate, milk and chocolate, you know go eat. She not go eat to Greta. Greta they select food well. So I want just cut them. But for Rejoice and Ryan, I don't cook Indomie. What I'll give them. I don't already cook Indomie. So guys, yeah. So if our daddy come for where for Goki goat, I'll show them the goat, okay? So we go and bust them together, and wash them together. So keep on washing, guys. Keep on washing. So guys, my people, my husband use the corn now. See the goat. This is not the goat. Wow. So I'll put her for soap now, make her wash her. It's not the goat now, full goat. Anyway, may I put her here, may I show now. Now 3 cellophane. Okay. So guys, may I bring her out, may I show now. Okay. I think all this one are the head and the and the stripe, the intestine and the day so. All this one, my husband they like away for pepper soup. all this one are for pepper soup. The head. Hey, I cannot wait to use the head do it guys. Hey, I cannot wait. On one side, I'll wash this one later. Now this one will wash last. I will just wash them, I don't need to just they don't first cut them like this, but I know cut them. I will just wash it, tie them for cellophane, small fit take in case I want cook. So I just bring the cellophane come. If you don't make, then I'll come cut out to my size, because if I say make I cut out today, I go sleep here. Wow. Hey, the meat like it big. It big, many. So this meat now, I mean full goat meat. My husband buy 150 euro. Is okay? 150 euro for full goat. So full goat. This is full goat, okay? And the big, just look at guys, very many, really plenty, okay? Really plenty. So I want to begin washing. So guys, I don't wash or finish. I don't tire. As you guys can see, guys, I'm so tired. This thing take me 2 hours and it's not easy. Oh my god, I don't tire. So guys, this is it. So I just carry on now, go arrange it for my freezer. Go arrange inside freezer. So whenever I just want to use them, anytime I want to use them, so just carry one cellophane come out, then just cut them to small size as I want. Take one time. So guys, this is it. The goat really many, like it really plenty. It really plenty. So guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will end this video here. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. I be more than ignore the noise. My children they here with me. So give this video a thumbs up. Okay, like, comment and share. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.